Is that a wrap, boys?
That's a wrap. Are you filming us the whole time, were you?
I was just talking.
Oh, mate.
Hey, thanks for today, boy.
No worries. You're gonna like a goose walking around. So
I know, look.
in the background
This is vlogging. Thanks, Al, for today. You too, mate.
Adam.
That's all right. Hopefully we can help the boy out a bit more.
Gussie speaks very highly of your teaching skills. He said you were really good.
Rewind about 14 hours and you can see I'm having another wild Friday night at home watching my favourite YouTubers when... opportunity has come a-knocking for Flip My Ride. Good news for the channel. I'm pretty excited. Sorry, just getting my brain together. All right, I've just finished communicatoing on Instagramo with Woodrigas from the Skid Factory. If you know the Skid Factory, there's Woody and there's Al. Al is currently building a P-plated car for his son. His son is 15, turning 16 soon. And they've been putting together this Subaru Outback, I believe. And tomorrow, Saturday morning, they're going to a track day up the Sunshine Coast. And turns out Gus has done pretty much no manual driving. Woody had thought it'd be a good idea to do a bit of a collab. I come up and give Gus a hand and maybe we can get some footage and help each other out. So I have jumped on the bandwagon and said, yes, please. So I've cancelled my lessons for tomorrow morning and I'm going to scream one up there. I'm already heading up that way, surprisingly. It's been a bit of a weird coincidence. I'm looking at a car. It's going to work out great and I'm going to try and give Gus a hand to get a feel for the pedals and understand how to work a clutch and a gas pedal when he's never done it before, and then he's going to go straight out on a track. See you in the morning. Morning, 17th. It is 5:30 a.m. I've decided to go earlier. I was supposed to meet a lady to look at a car at 8, but I want to try and catch up with Woody and the guys earlier because they're meeting up at about 7:15. A mystery day too. I'm going to possibly buy a car, but I'm not going to tell you. That's going to be coming up in a future episode. I've got a plan for a series. All right, let's head off. I'm going to jump in the car. It's warming up and get rolling. Got to get fuel first and about an hour and a half drive to look at the car and then another hour to meet up with the boys. So let's get rocking and rolling. Lights out. Weather's not looking fantastic, so hopefully they don't call it off because it's for all ages. Due to some transport issues, the car was not there for me when I arrived, but I did get to inspect it eventually and I was pretty happy. Alright, we have got about 20 minutes before we get to the come and try day up here on the north coast where I'm going to meet up with Woody. We've looked at the car, we have bought the car. Yes, it's a bit rough, but the 5-minute test drive I had was an absolute blast. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be down the track a little bit. As I said, part of a series that I've been putting together in my mind. Anyway, pleasurable driving, nice big highway, not too much traffic. We'll be there soon. It was a nice run indeed, but eventually the lovely big highway melted away to a dusty old road. So Ben or Woody has just told me to drive in and park to the right and wander around. I'm sure I shall see him. Some nice potholes here. That's the man right there, Mr. Al, turboyoda. With the greetings all said and done, hi Al, by the way, it was great to meet you. With the greetings all said and done, it was time for a driver's briefing. Here we discussed the safety for the day, the rules and regulations. If you're a bit of a muppet, you'd be sent home, that kind of stuff. Then we looked over the track layout, because it does change apparently regularly to keep it interesting. And then once that was all said and done, we jumped in the cars and did ourselves a bit of a sight lap, and I'm sure this helped Gus immensely. Does the passengers on all the other stuff have to have helmets too? Or is it just the driver?
Yeah, no, everyone on an actual lap, everyone has to have a helmet.
So it's a hooky here. Bit of a buzz in those bikes, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got a second left. Try a helmet's resonator.
Okay.
One of the guys on the fan club page has been messing around with them and hooked me up. He's got some calculator to work out what to make to get rid of the buzz.
Nice check there, Woody.
Hey?
Nice shoulder check, mate. I like that.
Thank you.
Wide loop and then
Left.
Sounds pretty good, mate.
it goes really well. The guy tuned it. Yesterday's young bloke is really bloody impressive skills for a young fella.
You gotta come here and come to a complete stop here.
Yeah.
The zit to zilch. And then clutch in when you come to a stop.
All right. Al's young boy Gus is going to go out for a run. He's not driven the car yet. It's got a clutch he's not used to, so we're going to try and grab his car. They're just doing an intro now. But we're going to go maybe into Gus's car and just give him a few laps up and down in the paddock here. Just to get him used to the clutch and how to balance it. See if I can help. It was meant to be a come and try day, but it turns out it's a sprint day, so these guys can't do what we initially thought we could do, because I was going to sit in the car and go around the track with them and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, we're going to work with what we got. It's good to be here. It's good to be hanging out with the Skid Factory. All right, just to that patch there. Let's stop it there. All right. Ready again, revs and clutch. As soon as you get revs, move your left foot. That's it. There you go, mate. Once you're going, let it off. We'll do another stop. That's it. Okay, Gussie's first attempt. Let's see how he goes. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, mate. No stalling, and that is awesome considering you've never really driven manual. You're doing it on a track and in front of an audience. Thumbs up, mate. Excellent stuff. And while Gus is out playing about, we'll go and look at who else is whipping around the track today.
potential. So I'm going to go throw a helmet on and take it around the track too and see how the car goes.
Don't crash it.
And not crash.
All right, Woody's having a go now. Let's see how he goes. So as he goes past the roundabout, all right, Woody's going to have a go. Let's see Woody crack it. Stick it. Ping it, Woody. It's freaking interesting watching Woody at work. He's got all his gear, he's running around, he's very organised, even though he says he's not. He knows his stuff, he knows what he's doing. We've got some drone footage for the skid factory, and we've got some track footage of Gus doing some laps. Day is done. The boys are filming the outro. I think they're announcing a winner of a competition for the skid factory. It's been fun hanging out with them, watching Gus have his first try in a manual on a track. Very brave, Gus. Well done, mate. Thanks for letting me give you a bit of a hand there, buddy. All right, it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll catch you next time. Ciao for now. Boys being boys. Look at all the boys and the toys. And I want some sausages and they're not ready yet. Snags, please. I better walk back because I'll be in his shot. I just started wandering into the shot. Sorry, Woody. Hey, thanks for today, Woody. Thanks for letting me know and inviting me up, buddy. Hope we can do it again soon. Let's see if Al stalls it. I knew it. He might be in third. You were in third.
Don't know. Did I pass the test?
Was that you?
Yeah.
I just think he's not a very good driver.
I think I was in third,
Yeah,
mate. Fail.
Oh, okay.
Got to get out of the shot. I keep getting in the shot.